Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. In the predictive modeling module, in the previous video, we have seen univariate analysis for continuous variable. In this video, we will talk about univariate analysis for categorical variables. In the previous session, I have made a typo and I have misspelled this univariate as univariant. Apologize for the mistake. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe my channel to get more updates, and let's get into the video. These are the things we have seen in the last class. What is univariate analysis, Boxplot, and why we are using univariate analysis. And we have seen two methods to perform univariate analysis for continuous variables. We have done tabular method and graphical method using histogram and Boxplot to detect outliers and frequency. Today we're going to talk about univariate analysis for categorical variables. That is, first thing is about tabular method. We're going to find frequency using count. That is, in our Titanic dataset, I would like to know the number of male and female. So I can use value underscore counts function to analyze those things, and I can calculate the percentage, like how many percent of male and females are there in the Titanic dataset. And we can use graphical method to perform bar plot using the count function. And let's flip to Google Colab for the demo. So I'm going to use the same worksheet. First, you need to import pandas to read the dataset. Pandas are used to read dataset, and our dataset is in CSV, so read underscore CSV and specify the path. And using shape function, you can read the number of rows and columns, and using head function you can display top 5 records, and D types are used to get to know the type of the data type actually. And we have seen how continuous variables and categorical variables will get stored in this. And in the last class, we have seen how to perform univariate analysis for continuous variable using tabular method. We're going to use a describe function so that it will be displaying you count, mean, standard deviation, min, and all these things for continuous variables. It is not going to display for categorical variables. And we have performed using matplotlib pyplot library. We have done two graphical things. That is, one is we have done a histogram and using age variable, and this is the histogram. And we have seen how to, histogram is used to find the frequency, and Boxplot is used to find the outliers. And so this is using box function, and now these are all the outliers. So these are the things we have seen in the last class. In today's class, we will explore univariate analysis for categorical variables. So continuous variables, in the sense we can say age, salary, and categorical variables are discrete values like gender and all, and class, which first class, second class, like that. We can categorize the variables. So over here, df is my data frame where my dataset got stored, and this is the column name, and I'm gonna find the gender, I mean the male and female counts. So using value underscore counts function, I run this. You see that 577 males and 314 females are there in that data set. And now let's find the percentage. Directly we can't find the percentage actually using counts. So what we can do is, I'm gonna copy this. Using length function, we need to divide with length, that is length of the total number of male and female. That is, we need to pass this variable name here. That's it. And let's run this. So you see that here, so you see this male are 64.7% and female are around 35%. Okay, now let's plot a bar plot for this. So how to do this? I'm gonna do the same for so I'm gonna copy here and dot plot we need bar plot, so I'm gonna write bar and run the cell. So this is the bar plot, and it is showing you like 100, 200, 300, 400. So this is a category. So this is not continuous, right? So this is a categorical variable. And that's all about univariate analysis for continuous and categorical variables. Try this one. The dataset is available in the description box. You can download it, and do comment if you have got any queries. I'm happy to assist you. And also, if you have got any requirements, do comment, and it will be processed on priority basis. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.